Oh, okay, wait, I can't get over that this just looks like a really long mental asylum. Hey there, my name's Nadernejad. I run a digital marketing agency specializing in reputation management, and I help people move to Canada, teach them all about Halifax, Nova Scotia, and Canadian lifestyle. If that's you and you're interested in that stuff, be sure to subscribe and smash the notification bell. I'm not just saying that like every other person who makes videos, like actually hit it. I'm making hyper-local content about Halifax and Canada. I'm not making, massive production, so your support really helps, Today's video, we're gonna look at apartments in Halifax and just do it together naturally. I'm not gonna cut the video or anything, and if you guys like this series, I'm gonna do it for other cities in Canada. Before we jump into this search going on Kijiji and having a fun time, let me give you a bit of background. Halifax's vacancy rates for apartment rentals recently hit 1%. That means the amount of apartments open to be rented are 1%. That's terrible. To put it in perspective, it's worse than Vancouver, worse than Toronto, worse than Montreal. It is at an all-time super bad. So as we go into this search, keep that in mind. This vacancy rate pushed Halifax rent prices up by 3.8%. Last year when I was looking at it, vacancy rates were about 1.6, and last year I'm talking about like May, June. So the average rent in Halifax is about $1,100. So bachelors in Halifax right now are renting for an average of $812 with a vacancy rate of 1.3%. One bedrooms are renting for an average of $959 with a vacancy rate of 1%. Two bedrooms are renting for an average of $1,202 with a vacancy rate of 0.9%. Horrible. That's really bad. Three bedrooms are renting for an average of $1,390 with a vacancy rate of 1.2%. Where can you get a three bedroom for $1,300? I mean, I'm not sure who's averaging these statistics, but if I could find a three bedroom for $1,300, I would be laughing. I mean, I'm looking at some one bedrooms and even some bachelors for like $1,200. One bedrooms for like $1,500, $1,600, $1,850, like crazy stuff like that. So we're gonna jump into it and we're gonna see how these stats match up to our Kijiji search. Let's jump into this silly fun time of Halifax rentals. What's going on? Halifax apartments for rent. Let's see what comes up on the casual search. We got some Kijiji over here. Let's check out the good old Kijiji. Okay, let's see if we find a studio for $800. Oh, look at that. $1,850. Wow, super cheap. Yeah, just maybe this is good. Wow, how fancy. Look at that. Oh, look, really nice floors. Look at that stain over there. Okay. Oh, the most basic fridge you can ever find. Oh, what happened to three bedrooms being an average of what, $1,300 was it? Oh, $1,800. And this doesn't look too bad. It's looking pretty nice. You got your washers. This is like the mortgage on a family home, but it kind of does look like a family home. So maybe it's worth it, but I don't know, man. Like everything just kind of, it looks like a big student apartment to me. And I'm not getting 13, I'm getting 1850. So I can move anywhere. I can go get like a luxury apartment in Bali because I work online. I don't know. Okay, let's move on. I want to do Halifax on the peninsula, okay? Right on the peninsula, central Halifax. Okay, 1121 South Park Street. Let's see. All right, the building looks a little bit like a mental asylum, but let's just look inside. Ooh, the classic. This looks pretty good. You got some stools. It looks pretty small, but it's clean, simple layout. There's your room. Very nice. There's a kitchen. There's the toilet. Yes, this looks very nice. It's very bare bones, but it looks clean. And look, a nice restaurant and a bar and a lobby. Oh, okay. Wait, I can't get over that this just looks like a really long mental asylum. If you're having difficulties, you just house your patients up in here. A weird layout. What are you doing with all this extra space? $1,100. Okay, so according to these statistics, I should be looking for like a one bedroom. Let's see. Oh, okay, a whopping 276 square feet. That's nice. If I was a lawn gnome. Oh, no parking included. How generous. And I gotta commit to 1 year of space for your fancy closet. Let's continue on our peruse of Halifax. Premium South End, one bedroom plus den. Okay, this sounds like, let's just see what's going on. And it's in the South End. That's not bad at all. Oh, this one's not bad at all. It's pretty decent. Looks like some spacious, open concept action going on. And yeah, you know, it's not too bad. I pretty much like the layout of this because you got your kitchen over here. You just do your stuff over there, and then you come sit down. You have the TV. Look at that. You can have some piano action going on. I got a good hallway, a decent bathroom, and it even has a gym in it. This is a place I think is pretty good. You're in the South End as well, and Killam Properties I've always been quite happy with. You're right on South Street. You're right on South Street. Okay, downtown Halifax condo, $1,750. I'm looking for some luxury here. For that sort of price, for a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, it's gotta be luxury. This looks pretty cool. I think this is Southport Properties. Is it the same company? Because I noticed this design and this little crate there. Let's see what's going on. It is Southport. Look at that. This is the gym in Southport. And then you have this over here. You got a room with a pool table. You got a balcony out top. This is pretty nice. I actually like this building. I might go and check this building out when I go to Halifax. But I don't really want to be in the $1,750. I want to save as much as possible. But dude, like this would be awesome for like $14. It's luxurious, but I don't have a swimming pool that opens out in the floor with dolphins. I mean, you could maybe make it like $1,500 and that would be decent. I don't know, but it's got a lot of stuff in it. So we'll keep going and see what else they have. Oh, look at this. Ocean View Condo Halifax, North End. The North End's getting expensive. Let's see what's going on. But it's a 2-bedroom. That's pretty decent for a 2-bedroom, I'd say. Okay, these pictures are a whopping 2 megapixel. You know, the place looks pretty nice. I mean, like, it's better than cities like Toronto, but at the same time, it's more expensive than Montreal, like probably by 20%. Which doesn't really make sense to me. If it was like 20-30% less, it is what it is. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. What did you think about a video like this? And also, how are the prices? Is this super expensive to you? Is it reasonable? Am I just being a harsh critic? Let me know. Obviously, from the statistics that I pulled up, everything is listed as more expensive. So I might have to go and, you know, look around a little bit harder, find some places that aren't listed, you know, speak to some friends, and then maybe I can pull something like that on a 1-year lease. But that's my goal. I'm going to Halifax in just a few weeks, so stay tuned, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you later.